Good morning, children. This is Venugopal sir for Little Hearts Publications with Social Studies Book 1, Unit 2, Our Basic Needs. In the previous lessons, we already talked about the basic needs that we need to survive. Those three are food we eat, clothes we wear, and the house we live in. So, lesson 5 in this unit, the first lesson, food we eat. Food is one of our basic needs. Children, we all know that without food we cannot survive. We cannot live without food. So, how do you define food? What's the meaning of food? Anything that we eat or drink comes under food. Anything that we drink or we eat, it is called food. Before we go into the details, let us discuss these questions. Why do we need food? What are the different kinds of food do you eat? Why do we drink water? Why is milk a complete food? What is breakfast, lunch, and dinner? What good food habits do you follow? So, children, why do we need food? We need food to live, to survive. Do you eat the same kind of food every day, children? Do we eat the same kind of food? No, we eat different types of food every day. In the same way, we drink water also. Why do we drink water? We drink water to easily digest the food that we eat. To satisfy our thirst. When we are thirsty, we drink water. When we want quick digestion of food, we drink water. And every day, most of the children, I think you know that you take milk. Milk is a complete food. Why is milk a complete food? Of course, in the milk you may mix Horlicks or Boost or Bournvita or something like that. But milk is the essential ingredient in all these things. So most of the children prefer taking milk. Milk is a complete food because it contains all the nutrients that are needed for the body. For the proper growth of the body, milk contains all the kinds of nutrients. That's why milk is called a complete food. In the same way we talked about in the lower classes, in the previous lessons, breakfast is the meal that we take in the morning, lunch is the meal that we take in the afternoon, and dinner is the food that we take in the night. Not only eating different kinds of food which contain different kinds of nutrients, we should also follow some good food habits. So, we are going to discuss all these points that are written there on the board, children, now in this lesson. We all need food to live. We cannot live without food. Already I told you this. Whatever we eat and drink to live is called food. So, first three lines clearly tell us that we all need food to live. And of course, we cannot live without food. In the same way, whatever we eat and drink to survive or to live is called food. Then why do we need food? What happens? Of course, we cannot live without food, without eating food. But at the same time, we should also to know why we need food. We need food to live. We need food to grow and become strong. If we want to grow, when you are born, you are a small child like this. Now you have grown up to this. After 1 year, you may grow like this. And all this growth happens because of the food that we eat. Okay, children? We need food to grow and to become strong. Food gives us strength. Good food helps us to keep good health. If we eat good food means the food which contains all the kinds of nutrients that are needed for the body. Nutritious food. If we take good food, we can keep or maintain good health. The following are some of the kinds of food that we eat. You can see some food items are given there in the pictures: milk, meat, eggs, chicken, fish, bread, varieties of vegetables. All these are the food items generally that we come across or that we eat. At the same time, we also drink milk. Milk is a complete food because it contains all the nutrients needed for the proper growth of our body. As I told you earlier, children, milk is called a complete food because it contains all the nutrients that are required for our body, for the proper growth of our body. Everybody wants the proper growth of the body, for that milk is needed. That is why milk is called a complete food. As I told you at the beginning, anything that we eat or drink is called food. So, milk is also a food, a complete food, of course. We take meals 3 times a day. Generally, you know, children, before going to the school, your mother gives you a meal, a tiffin, like idli, dosa, chapati, puri, upma. All these come under breakfast items. These are generally taken before you go to the school. You eat breakfast. So, morning whatever we eat before going to school is called breakfast. Of course, some of you take breakfast at the school also because you don't have the time to eat food at home. The meal we take in the morning is breakfast. The meal we take in the afternoon is lunch. The meal we take in the night is dinner. So, in the same way, afternoon, when the first session, morning session of the school is over, you will be taken to the lunch room by your teachers. Lunch room, there we take lunch. So, the food that we take in the afternoon is called lunch. Okay, children? Of course, before going to bed in the night, also we take some meals, some food that is called dinner. The food that we take or the meal that we take in the night is called dinner. So, these are the 3 different meals that we eat during a day. Morning meal is called breakfast, afternoon meal is called lunch, and night meal is called dinner. So, as I told you children earlier, not only we should eat good food, nutritious food, but also we should maintain or we should follow some good food habits. Good food habits. Let us see what are those good food habits. First thing, we should eat clean and fresh food. Don't eat the food which was kept in the fridge for 2 or 3 days back. We should always eat clean, fresh and fresh food. Don't eat stale food which is kept in the fridge or which was cooked 1 or 2 days back. Don't eat such kind of food. We should wash our hands before and after eating. So, before eating, we should go to the wash basin, wash our hands thoroughly with soap or hand wash. Then, after eating, again we go to the wash basin and wash our hands thoroughly. So, we should clean or wash our hands before and after eating. This is another good food habit that we have to follow. We should chew our food well. What's the meaning of chewing? Grinding the food between the teeth is called chewing. Telugulo namalatam antam deenni. We should chew the food properly. We should not just swallow. By taking food and drinking water, we should not just swallow the food. We should first chew the food well. We should not eat too much. At the same time, we should be very careful not to eat too much food. Because too much of eating food makes us sick. We will become sick or ill if we eat too much food. Whatever is required, that much only we should eat. We should not go on eating too much of food. We should not eat too little also. At the same time, we should not eat little quantity. We should always eat sufficient quantity of food, which is neither too much nor too low, too little. Because if we take little food or very little food, that makes you weak and sick. When you take little food, you cannot grow. You do not have the strength or energy to do any work. And if we eat too much of food, we will become fat. That will make us ill. That will make us sick and unhealthy. Too little food, that means little food also is not good. We should always eat sufficient quantity of food. And next good food habit that we have developed is we should take food at fixed times regularly. Exactly at between 7:30 and 8 in the morning you take breakfast. Afternoon you should take the lunch between 12:30 and 1 or 1 and 1:30. Night we should take the meal between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. We should always eat the food at fixed times. This is another good food habit that we have to follow. At the same time, we should also drink plenty of water. We should also drink plenty of water. Why? Good digestion of food takes place only when we drink plenty of water. Sufficient quantity of water, minimum 8 glasses of water we should drink every day. Children, remember that. And at the same time, last but not the least important good food habit that we have to follow is we should not waste food under any circumstances. Don't throw the food out. There are millions of people who suffer from lack of food or who suffer from hunger. So do not waste the food under any circumstances. So everybody should follow these good food habits. Okay, children, let us recollect what we discussed in this lesson. We all need food to live and grow. We eat different kinds of food every day. Milk is a complete food. Morning meal is breakfast. Afternoon meal is lunch. Night meal is dinner. We should eat clean and fresh food. We should take food at regular times. We all should follow good food habits. This is the summary of what we discussed up to now. Now let us discuss tasks for summative assessment. In the A bit we have got some questions. What is called food? First question, what is called food? Anything that we drink and eat to live is called food. Okay, children? Anything that we drink and eat to live is called food. You can look at the first page. Third line, whatever we eat and drink to live is called food. That's the answer. You can easily write that one. Question number 2, mention some kinds of food we eat. Some kinds of food that we eat. Milk, meat, fresh fish, vegetables, fruits. These are some kinds of food that we eat. Why should we drink milk? Third question, why should we drink milk, children? We should drink milk because milk is a complete food. It contains all the nutrients that are needed for the proper growth of our body. Okay, children, that is the third answer. Fourth question, write one sentence on each of the following. Breakfast means what? The meal that we take in the morning is called breakfast. Lunch, the meal that we take in the afternoon is called lunch. Dinner, the meal that we take in the night is called dinner. Mention some good food habits. Any 4 or 5 good food habits you have tried, children. There are many given there. But most importantly, you pick up 4 or 5 and write those 5 good food habits. Next, in the B bit, we fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. There are some words given in yellow in the red box. We have to fill in these blanks here. Question number 1, first blank, morning meal is known as dash, breakfast. Second sentence, we should dash our food well. We should chew our food well. Second blank. Third blank, we cannot live without dash. We cannot live without food. Dash is a complete food. Fourth one, milk is a complete food. Number 5, the meal we take in the afternoon is called lunch. Very good. C, write true or false. Good food helps us to keep good health. Is it true or false, children? Good food helps us to keep good health. It is true. Number 2, the meal we take in the night is dinner. Night meal is called dinner. Is it correct or not? Yes, it's true. Number 3, we should eat too much food. No, false. Eating too much food makes us sick, so we should not eat. So third one is false. Fourth one, we can take food at any time. It is also false because it is given there in the lesson. We have learnt that we should take food at fixed times. Number 5, we should drink plenty of water. That is true. Yes, of course, we should take plenty of water. Then match the following. Milk contains all nutrients needed for the body. Like that, you have to draw a line between the correct matching words or matching sentences. Breakfast, morning meal. Lunch, afternoon meal. Dinner, night meal. Wash your hands before and after eating. So, in assignment for formative assessment, children, there is a project work or activity for you. Complete the following table using the data of food components you take during the 3 meals in a day. Generally, a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day, breakfast time what you take, you just prepare a list. Sunday, breakfast what you take, for lunch what you take, for dinner what you have taken. In the same way, Monday, Tuesday, for every day in a week, what kinds of food that you take, you write in the table. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of the lesson. The key for all these questions will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Thank you.